Hello and welcome to Meetings in Math, and I am so happy you are here today. We are working on algebraic expression. It's our second day on it, and we are specifically looking at the distributive property. How can you simplify an algebraic expression is our essential question. Today you are going to need a pen or pencil, your Jaguar Jots. At the top it should say 3.1 and 3.2 distributive property. A calculator might be helpful for some of you, and perseverance and determination with that growth mindset is always something you need to bring to class. So let's get started on today's lesson. So we're going to begin by defining distributive property and what it means, or multiply the terms outside the parentheses by all the terms inside the parentheses. So we need to remember that the terms are separated by addition and subtraction when there's more than one of them in a sentence. So we have a few examples to go through. The most common mistake with these types of problems is forgetting to multiply the outside term by every term inside. So it's going to be 3 times 2x and 3 times 5. Most people are really good at remembering the first one because it looks like multiplication, but they forget to go to the second one. So 6x is the first one, and then 3 times 5, or 15. And then check, are these like terms? No, they're not, so we are finished. So let's look at the next one. The next one, we have 2 times the quantity of 7x plus 5y minus 4. So we're going to multiply everything in here by 2. What this is really saying is we have 2 of these long things. That's it. That's what it's saying. So it equals 2 times 7x, which is 14x, and 2 times 5y, which is 10y, and then 2 times, and remember, this is a negative 4. So 2 times negative 4 is a negative 8. These are not like terms, so we are done. It's really just that fast. So remember, this is going to be a negative 5. So negative 5 times 4 is a negative 20x, and this is a negative 2. So negative 5 times negative 2 is a positive 10. So in this example, the outside term is negative, so negative 5 times negative 2 is a positive 10. And you just have to remember to put those numbers, or the positives and the negatives, in front of the terms. They're not like terms, so we're done. So in this last problem, we have 2 times that we're going to have to do the distributive property. We have this first one, 2 times the quantity of x plus 7 plus 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 5. And so we just do this one, and then we do this one. So 2 times x is 2x. And then this is 2 times a negative 7, which is a negative 14. And then we have a 4. I circle it to make sure I do the right thing. Positive 4 times a 2x is a positive 8x. And a positive 4 times a positive 5, which is 20. And then we look at this and we see we do have like terms in this case. And so since we do have like terms, we do want to put them together. So I have a 2x. Remember, just a single line. I'm not crossing it out so I can't read it, just enough to keep track that I've used it. And I have another x term, which is right here. And those are all my x terms. Now I look for anything else. The next thing I have in line, I just start reading like this. The next thing I come to is this negative 14. And the 20 is also a constant. And I've now used everything that's up here. So 2x plus 8x is a 10x. It is positive. We usually don't write the positive on our very first term, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Put an equal sign instead. And negative 14 plus 20 is a positive 6. And I'm done, because those are not like terms. And that's it. So distributive property is just another layer in simplifying your algebraic expressions. So what I'd like you to do today is I would actually like you to explain to either an adult, a sibling, a pet, a stuffed animal, what the distributive property does and how it is that you multiply by everything on the inside. And I will see you again in the next lesson. Remember, be nice to each other out there because we could all use some extra kindness in our lives. Bye for now.